Ako. Open ako about the shift. I'm open to listen to what kind of what form of federalism is being introduced. Pero kung halimbawa yung nakikita natin sa US, tingin ko hindi tayo ready eh. Kasi if you look at yung income ng mga localities, ilan lang ba? Parang of the regions, ang kaya lang tumayo na mag-isa is NCR, Region 4A, and Region 3. Ito yung hindi dependent on the national budget. But all the other regions, including Region 7, except for Cebu City, I think, ano yun? Yung internally generated na income is much lower than what they get from IRA. So yung worry ko, ano kayang klaseng forma ng federalism if we will leave the local government units to themselves? Kaya nilang tumayo. Kaya naman ako open. Kasi kung yung structure naman mas suited sa, yung parang kung ang structure mas strengthening of local autonomy lang, tingin ko okay yon. I think the President mentioned that it would be something similar to the French version. Pero hindi ko pa yung naaaral. Ako sana kung matutuloy yung federalism, unahin na yung law against political dynasties. Kasi kung wala pa yung batas against political dynasties, baka mangyari para maging fiefdoms yung mga
feudal.
Oo, yun yung worry ko.
Feudal.
Na sana before that maipasa na yung law against political dynasties.